dedication. I'm here.
Okay, y'all ready, guys?
Ready.
I am.
Ready?
I'm scared. Hold
I like when he pours his rain on me, how soaking wet the pussy gets. I love when he pours his richness all over me. His pure richness I love to taste and feel come down on me. I love to feel wet when he reaches my climax by letting it pour all over my face. His lightning and thunder that strikes me hard when he's in this. Some feel the rain, others feel wet. I feel wet when he comes hard in my mouth, tasting his warm sperm coming down my throat smoothly. Taking every gulp as any porn star will do. I love to show him how good I am when it comes to gulping down his milk. He makes it rain on me every time I go deeper as I swallow and stare at him as I perform my nasty ritual on his amazing, pretty long fat dick. I love to put my deep thoughts into him. Feels so good feeling it go down my throat, gagging every time he enters my tunnel deeper, making him bust some more in my mouth. I love to choke on it, love it when he make the tears stream down my face as he fucks it like a pussy he's entering so beastly. He comes and I just let it all go down my throat. I fuck it, I suck it, I jerk it, I fucking love it. I give him a show and enjoy it, and he enjoys everything I do. I ride
We
so
love
good,
you.
He moves off this pussy going in like a pro. I like it. I look at him and then just say, keep fucking me. His moans get louder and my fuck games get wilder. All I know is that when he pours his rain on me, I open wide and enjoy this face fucking and feel the rain pouring down on me.
Yeah.